In nature, hyenas are often depicted as enigmatic and mysterious creatures. However, few people are aware of whether they are actually part of the dog family. Come with me on a journey of discovery as we explore their daring hunting skills and complex social nature. We will delve into the world of hyenas in search of the answer to the question, are hyenas really dogs? Join me as we dive into the intrigue and uniqueness of this animal and ponder whether they are related to dogs or simply a distinct species. If you're ready to embark on this exploration with us, remember to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos on this topic. Now get ready for an extraordinary adventure. What's a dog? In order to unravel the mystery of whether a hyena can be classified as a dog, let's narrow our focus onto canines. We're all familiar with dogs as companions, whether they're sleek greyhounds or fluffy corgis. There's a wide variety of dog breeds popular as pets, but beyond the domesticated dogs that grace our homes, there exists a diverse range of animals falling under the category of canines. Take, for instance, the myriad of fox species scattered across the globe. Then there are wolves, coyotes, dingoes, and jackals, just to name a few. There's an extensive roster of canines, all sharing striking similarities. One notable trait is their prowess as endurance hunters. Unlike predators such as lions or tigers that employ stealth and ambush tactics, canines have a different strategy, one rooted in persistence and stamina. Whether it's a wolf or a coyote, a canine spots its prey and embarks on a relentless pursuit. They understand that their prey will attempt to flee, but they endure. Canines are akin to long-distance runners, capable of maintaining impressive speeds over vast distances. Their strategy relies on wearing down their prey, patiently waiting for exhaustion to set in before closing in for the final strike. You might wonder if your own pet dog exhibits such behavior, but even your pampered pooch carries the genetic legacy of these mighty endurance hunters. Ever witnessed a golden retriever or a pit bull sprinting with unbridled energy? They too can maintain a steady pace over prolonged periods, much like their wild counterparts. And guess who else shares this trait? Hyenas. Yes, they exhibit the same endurance hunting behavior when it comes to securing a meal. Once the prey is within reach, canines capture it using their teeth, not their claws. Hyenas demonstrate this method as well. Moreover, observe the feet of canines. Whether it's a dingo or a jackal, you'll notice large, non-retractable claws adapted for swift running and agile maneuvers. And here lies another striking similarity between dogs and hyenas. They both possess these specialized claws. So, with all these parallels between dogs and hyenas, are we prepared to label hyenas as dogs? Not quite yet, because there's another creature we've overlooked, one that shares numerous similarities with the hyena. What about cats? While we've been debating whether hyenas are dogs, we may have overlooked another possibility. Are they related to cats? Sure, if you're picturing your own house cat, the similarities may not be immediately obvious. But consider the world's majestic big cats, lions, tigers, and jaguars. Despite their differences, there are undeniable similarities. One way is in terms of grooming. Have you ever observed your cat meticulously cleaning itself, often with one paw elegantly raised? Hyenas also exhibit this behavior. Zoologists have noted that hyenas share the same grooming habits as a cat. Furthermore, researchers have discovered that hyenas also have scent marking and defecation behaviors similar to cats. Their parenting behavior and mating rituals resemble those of household cats. So let's pause for a moment. On one hand, we see hyenas hunting and sprinting like dogs, displaying remarkable endurance. On the other hand, their grooming, marking, mating, and parenting habits are more suited to cats. But can they belong to both families? Which set of behaviors should be given more weight when determining their classification? One could argue that their hunting prowess should take precedence, suggesting that hyenas are indeed dogs. However, their complex social behaviors and grooming habits paint a different picture, hinting at a feline lineage. So, which family actually includes hyenas? And which set of behaviors should we prioritize when determining its classification? It's a conundrum that prompts us to delve deeper into the complex world of animal taxonomy. Exploring hyenas. Before we can definitively answer the question of whether hyenas are dogs or not, we need to delve deeper into their world. Yes, we've skimmed the surface, noting similarities with both dogs and cats, but to truly understand hyenas, we must explore their entirety. There exist 4 distinct species of hyenas. Regardless of the species, they do indeed bear a resemblance to some form of canine. Take, for instance, the aardwolf. Despite its name, it's neither a wolf nor an aardvark. The inclusion of wolf might mislead some to believe it's related to wolves, but that's not the case. In addition to the aardwolf, there's the brown hyena, the striped hyena, and the spotted hyena, also known as the laughing hyena, the most renowned among them. The spotted hyena often claims the title of the largest, sometimes tipping the scales at a whopping 140 pounds. The striped hyena follows closely behind at 120 pounds, while the brown hyena hovers just under 100 pounds. And then there's the petite aardwolf, usually weighing in at under 20 pounds. About the same as your neighbor's miniature pinscher, wouldn't you say? But do these facts alone solidify their classification as dogs? We find another similarity, the social structure. Hyenas, like canines, often travel in packs. Sometimes these packs consist of just 5 to 10 members, while in other instances, they can swell to over 100. Reports even suggest packs numbering as high as 130 individuals, a remarkable similarity to the pack dynamics observed in canines. Strength in unity, right? Whether it's a solitary hyena or a pack of them, crossing paths with these creatures is not something you'd want to take lightly. Their jaws pack an incredible punch, boasting jaw-dropping power. Among them, the spotted hyena reigns supreme, boasting the most formidable bite force of any land carnivore, a staggering 1,011 pounds of force. It's no wonder they've earned the moniker bone-crushing hyenas. They possess the ability to effortlessly shatter bone with their powerful jaws. Despite the potential indigestion from consuming bone, the spotted hyena remains unfazed. Their digestive system is incredibly efficient, breaking down everything from bones to skin, ligaments, horns, and hooves without batting an eye. Inhabiting vast swathes of Africa, hyenas are no strangers to encountering prey adorned with hooves and horns. While they typically roam the savannas and semi-arid regions, their adaptability extends even to lofty mountainous terrain, with sightings recorded at altitudes of up to 13,000 feet. As carnivorous predators, hyenas are opportunistic hunters, often finding themselves playing second fiddle to apex predators like lions and leopards. They'll hunt their own prey when necessary, but aren't averse to scavenging, seizing the chance to feast on leftovers from other predators' kills. While spotted hyenas prefer to make their own kills, striped hyenas lean more towards scavenging, occasionally supplementing their diet with fruits. The diminutive brown hyenas, weighing in at under 100 pounds, rely heavily on scavenging, seizing the opportunity to pilfer scraps from larger predators. And then there's the aardwolf, primarily an insectivore, who skillfully captures insects with its broad tongue, akin to its distant relative, the anteater. So where does the hyena truly belong? Is it a dog, a cat, or perhaps an anteater? The answer lies in the intricate tapestry of nature's classification system, a realm we'll continue to explore to uncover the hyena's rightful place. Hyaenidae. The term Hyenidae bears a striking resemblance to hyena, and rightfully so. It's the family to which hyenas belong. Unlike canines or felines, hyenas carve out their own distinct niche within the animal kingdom. Yes, they do share certain characteristics with both dogs and cats. As mammals and carnivores, they exhibit similarities to these well-known families. However, they possess their own set of unique traits that set them apart. While they may resemble dogs or cats in some ways, hyenas diverge in others, making them a unique entity unto themselves. They exhibit behaviors and possess abilities not commonly found in either dogs or cats. Consider the aardwolf, for instance, primarily an insectivore, adept at capturing insects with its broad tongue, a behavior more reminiscent of anteaters than traditional predators. Moreover, both brown and striped hyenas have been observed feigning death when confronted by larger predators, a tactic reminiscent of possums. Their scavenging habits draw parallels to birds of prey like crows and vultures, while their bone-crushing jaws set them apart as formidable hunters. In essence, hyenas represent a fusion of various animal traits, bringing a unique blend of characteristics to the table. It's this distinctiveness that places them squarely within the Hyenidae family, a testament to their unparalleled nature. They stand as their own family, distinct from any other, embodying a blend of traits that defy easy categorization. Finally, after a profound journey of discovery, we have the answer to the question, are hyenas really dogs? Although they have many similarities to dogs, we discovered that hyenas are actually part of the Hyaenidae family and not the Canidae family. This journey gave us a deeper insight into the world of wildlife and the diversity of nature. The hyena is a special animal with distinct characteristics and unique powers. Thank you for joining us on this expedition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to continue watching other interesting and exciting videos. See you in the next adventures.